Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's been searching for that perfect eyeliner that won't budge no matter what, then today's review is for you. We're diving into the Clinique Quickliner For Eyes in the shade AF Dark Chocolate. This eyeliner promises to deliver long-lasting color with water-resistant and smudge-resistant formulas, making it ideal for sensitive eyes. But does it really stand up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about what makes this eyeliner stand out. Clinique has formulated this product with sensitive skin in mind, ensuring that it's ophthalmologist tested and safe for those of us with more delicate eyes. The pencil comes in a sleek, retractable design, which is super convenient for on-the-go use. The shade AF Dark Chocolate is a rich, deep brown that delivers a soft but defined look, perfect for a natural or more dramatic eye makeup look. As far as ingredients go, Clinique is known for its commitment to fragrance-free formulas, and this eyeliner is no exception. It glides on smoothly without tugging or pulling at the delicate skin around the eyes. The real test, though, is whether it lives up to its promise of being water and smudge resistant, right? Well, after incorporating it into my routine for several days, whether in the morning rush or a long evening out, I found that it truly stayed put without smudging. Even on a sweaty summer day, the liner didn't slide down my face or create that dreaded raccoon eye look. However, let's not gloss over the fact that no product is perfect. While the formula does stay in place and offers great precision, I did find that it requires a little extra effort during removal. If you're looking for a product that comes off easily with just a swipe of makeup remover, this might not be it. But considering its long-lasting performance, it's a small price to pay for that all-day wear. So let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Clinique Quickliner is incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. Its creamy texture allows for smooth, even application, and the pigmentation is rich enough to create defined eyes without looking too harsh. The water and smudge resistance are definitely game changers, and it's a reliable choice for anyone with sensitive eyes. On the flip side, the removal process could be better, especially if you have waterproof makeup remover. When it comes to value for money, this pencil falls into a mid-range price category. Given Clinique's reputation for quality and its thoughtful formulation for sensitive skin, I'd say it's worth the price. While there are other options out there at lower prices, not all of them offer the same level of gentleness or performance. If you're willing to invest a little more for a high-quality product that can last through anything, this might just be worth the splurge. I've tried a few similar eyeliners in this category, and while some of them offer a comparable performance, they don't always cater to sensitive skin as well as this one does. For instance, you might find cheaper alternatives, but they could irritate the eyes or not perform as well in terms of longevity. Build quality-wise, this eyeliner is solid. The retractable pencil is sleek and sturdy, and the twist-up design prevents the liner from getting messy or wasting any product. You won't have to worry about the liner breaking off easily, and you can rely on it for a clean application every time. As for the brand's customer service, Clinique is known for its responsive customer care. I haven't had any direct issues with their support, but the brand's long-standing reputation in the beauty industry speaks volumes. They're reliable, and it's comforting to know they stand by their products. For those of you who might be looking for more budget-friendly alternatives, I'd recommend trying out Maybelline's Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Pencil. It offers similar results in terms of longevity and smudge resistance, but comes at a lower price point. However, if sensitive eyes are a major concern, then Clinique might be the better choice for its skin-friendly formula. So in conclusion, if you're in need of an eyeliner that delivers consistent performance, stays put all day, and is kind to sensitive eyes, the Clinique Quickliner For Eyes is definitely a solid choice. Its smudge-resistant, water-resistant formula lives up to the claims, and it's easy to use. If you don't mind a little extra work during removal, then this is a fantastic product. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with all our honest reviews here at Beautyistic. Your support really helps us create more content like this for beauty lovers like you. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, if you've tried this eyeliner, Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.